Okay, let's have a look at the Euro US dollar and talk about the US dollar in preparation for NFP news tomorrow. To start with, let me remind everyone that this Saturday, 7 April at 2 BST, I'll be giving a 2-hour presentation with NASA Financial Freedom. I have a 30-page PowerPoint presentation to go through with a lot of educational material, a lot of useful tactics. I have 6 real strategies that have proven results and see real returns in the market. And I'm treating the entire course as I mentioned last time, that trading is a language that anyone can learn and benefit from. It is like French, it's like Russian, it's like Japanese. You're able to look at the charts, interpret the price action, understand the price movement, recognize the action, the patterns, and get a feel for the market. And then when the price action presents itself on screen, you can interpret it and understand what the market is saying. Not all the time, of course, but it forms repeated patterns. There's a particular emphasis on price action in bullish and bearish markets that we've been seeing here lately, just here. And it is possible to learn that and to be able to understand that when a trend is ongoing. And then you can position yourself to benefit from it, just as it became more evident in April that the Euro US dollar had made its major turn and was heading up from this gap. So this kind of information I'm going to cover on Saturday. I'm also going to look over the 3 big trades of last year that I covered in this video, and I'm going to look forward to the 3 major trades of 2018 that I have planned and that I feel are already unfolding. So the link will be in the description, and I look forward to giving this talk, so I hope to see you guys there. So I just mentioned the Euro US dollar briefly, in that the bearish strategy we've been running has been working out and paying out so far. We have this view that the high has been in from 16 February, and I was covering this on Twitter, that we have here a 3-wave correction, and as it was ending, it became evident that it was more likely to turn over than to continue up. There was some price action here. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow at the moment. 1 second. There was some price action right here, as you can see, with a little bearish candle there, that it was turning over from the hard sell at the top of the 3-wave move. So we've been dealing with that and selling into it. Now, clearly, it's coming up to support here. The internet's a little bit slow right now. It's coming into major support here from 2017. What I want to emphasize about this, local price action is bearish. The price action is bearish. I'm not talking about the patterns. I'm not talking about the formation altogether. I'm talking about the action of the price. There is no evidence of bullish price action. Every minor 3-wave correction on the 4-hour, 1 hour, and 15-minute chart is being sold into. So until that turns around and we see something more bullish, I'm taking 3-wave corrections as chances to sell into. Now, you can see there's some stochastic divergence coming in here. That may come into play tomorrow with the right candle, but for now, I'm treating this as bearish. I'm looking for this to fail again at the 8 EMA. You see how the 8 EMA is starting to establish itself. And once the trend gets going, that 8 EMA will kick in and act as support, as we saw all the way up here and all the way through here too. So tomorrow on NFP, I'm going to hold this as bearish and as guilty because of the action of price. So that is something I will cover on Saturday as well. And I'm not going to cover the other pairs because I'm going to talk about them on Saturday. So the link's in the description. Sign up for the talk, please. And on 7 April 2 BST, we'll be giving that, and I'm really looking forward to it. It'll be very informative, and I think it'll help a lot of people get to grips with market action, which can be very confusing. But once you can read the gist, get a gist of it, you have a major advantage for positioning for major trends that we'll be looking at then. Okay, thanks, and see you on Saturday. Bye-bye.